Hi everybody, I wanted to come on here real quick to talk about our microfiber, what sets it apart from the competition, and how you care for it. So I'm going to talk specifically about our EnviroCloth, but for the most part it's for any of our microfibers. With our EnviroCloth, all you have to do to use it is fold it in half again, and it creates a smooth surface. And as you're cleaning, you can keep flipping it, and it gives you 8 sides of the cloth to clean with. But what this does is that as you're using it, you're mechanically removing bacteria, dirt, grime. It's not killing anything, okay? When you do that, and when you're done, you're going to press it together. It's called par. You press, you agitate, and then you run water over it to release the debris. That's how you care for the microfiber on a daily basis. When you've done that and you let this air dry, we have a technology in here called backlock. Backlock is very, very important. It's our microsilver technology that is built in at the raw materials stage, where it's adding microsilver to the fibers. It's not sprayed on. You think coffee and cream, it is built into it. Why does that matter? Because that backlock goes into the bacteria, dirt, grime, debris, whatever, and it damages any cell walls that are that got caught up into the fibers. So it inhibits the growth of mold, mildew, bacteria. It's kind of like birth control for bacteria, actually, because it damages that cell wall, so it stops it from replicating. And that's a good thing. That's what we want. But as long as you care for this and use it properly, our microfiber has a 2-year warranty. If it happens to start to fray, Norwex will replace it for you. It's got a 60-day money-back guarantee, but also a 2-year warranty on it. So let's talk a little bit about the microfiber itself. The microfiber itself is 1/200th the size of a human hair. The industry standard is 1/6 the size of a human hair. Ours is 1/200th. Why does that matter? Well, if you think about 1/200th, that's really tiny, right? If you think about this, will stretch all the way. If you walked all the way from Canada all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico, that's over 10 million feet of fiber in one cloth. And each fiber has these little tiny spokes cut into it, which is what helps to grab and pull up and mechanically remove the bacteria, dirt, debris, whatever is pulling it up. So how do you care for this? As I said, on a daily basis, you're going to par, press, release, and then rinse to let all that water release out of there. But when you do want to launder this, you'll want to use a laundry detergent that does not have dyes, fillers, fragrances, any of the harsh chemicals. You don't want that in there. And it's quite frankly not really just about our microfiber. You don't want that on your clothes. If your towels aren't absorbent as they used to be, it may be that your laundry detergent that you're using may have fillers in it that are coating the fibers. The same thing is true with our microfiber. You want this to be able to do its job. So you can do that in a couple of ways. You can put some laundry detergent into a sink, into a basin, and just let it soak. And the dirt and debris is going to come out of that. Or if you want to put it in your washing machine, that is perfectly fine. You just want to make sure that you're not using any fabric softeners ever. You don't want any dyes, fragrances, fillers, those types of things. But particularly, you don't want to put this into a washer or dryer, anything that has lint. Because of the nature of our fibers, it's just coming through and picking up all the dirt and debris and bacteria, those little tiny spokes. It is designed to do that. You put that in a laundry and it's with lint, those types of things, it's going to pick that up too, and you don't want that. So it's super, super easy to take care of. You just need to know. So that is in a nutshell what our microfiber is about and how you care for it. I hope that's helpful.